Ministry ya Githomo itanyitwo kurekereria gicunji kia 30% kia mbeca cia mahuthiro ma arutwo thiini wa term ya KERI, mbeca iria itari irakinyira mathukuru mweri umwe thutha wa mathomo gucokereria, undu uria ucungiriirie arugamiriri a mathukuru kuruta mukana wa kuhe arutwo rutha rwa tene, makiuga ni maremereirwo ni ngarama ya mahuthiro ma o muthenya. Kuringana na Minister wa Githomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU, muthiaine wa term hituku, Ministry ya Githomo ni yarekereirie gicunji kia 25% kia mbeca iria ciatigaririire thiini wa term ya mbere, mbeca iria ifatie kunyitirira mathukuru mbere ya kigina gia term ya KERI kurekererio mweri uyu.
The amount we have given the schools is 50%, and this particular term we are giving another 30%. And the final term, which will be third term, we will be able to give the remaining 20%.
MACHOGU ekwaragia o hindi ya kuruguria mufango wa ukinyaniria wa tafarira itiganite sekta-ini ya githomo kuma mwaka wa 2023-2027 kuria augite sekta ino irafatara muigana wa shiringi trilioni 5 gukinyaniria tafarira ngurani. Hari mbeca ici thirikari igitanyo kuheana shiringi trilioni 3.5, nayo Ministry ya Githomo unyitaniri-ini na anyititemi angi magitanyo gucokaniriria shiringi trilioni 1.5.
Working with our development partners, working with all of us, working with our households, and working with all the stakeholders that are within the education sector to ensure that our key pillars of education, which is success, equity, quality, relevance and retention, is achieved.
Ihinda-ini ria miaka ino 5, thirikari itanyitwo kuheana kigina kia mahuthiro kuri arutwo milioni 36, 26,971 a thukuru cia muthingi, arutwo milioni 13, 4,487 a thukuru cia JSS, arutwo milioni 18,683,333 a senior school, na arutwo 714,107 a ngathi itiganite cia thukuru cia arutwo aria mari na mawathe.
One of our critical focus will be our foundational learning. How do we ensure that our children are properly anchored? Because it is said, if we invest well in foundational learning, then we reduce the cost of future investment by up to 15%.
Na kuona namba ya arutwo itanyitwo gukorwo kiongerereka o mwaka, thirikari itanyitwo gwaka irathi 600 cia thukuru cia muthingi, irathi 1,106 thukuru-ini cia JSS na irathi 18,000 cia senior school. Kwa ihinda riri, Ministry ya Githomo ikiuga nirekereirie kigina kia waki wa ikereka ria mbere ria irathi iria cirabatarania ni undu wa arutwo a grade ya 9 mwaka ukite.
The first part of the classroom should be complete in 4 months time, and we are starting another part in about 2 months time. By the end of the year, December, we should have done between 16,000 and 18,000 classrooms.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Ngena wa Wadurwa.